Have you ever disassembled your AC compressor or tensioner assembly and didn't know how to get it back together? Well, if you have, this is the video for you. It's tensioner pulley. Got this in right here. Put that down. Even more flat side up. Got this little washer thing here. It's kind of concave right there. Put that concave side down on top there. And you got your bush in here. Put your bushing down in it. Like that. Flip it over. You got this washer. I don't know if it matters, but it's kind of got like a flat side. You can look on the edge here. This edge is flat. This edge is kind of rounded. Put that rounded side up. Not sure it matters, but right there. Then you have this. Put that on. Just like that. So we got that. Now this little get back in there. This little bushing side rides up against your bracket. This nut goes through the bracket, through the bushing, through the pulley, through all of them washers. And you get the nut. You get the nut. Congratulations. Go on, tensioner bolt. To this hole. To the nut. And it's back together, just like that.